Hello everyone, my name is Karen. I am a account receivable, account payable in the retail company. After watching 3 videos, I learned about Adam Grant's quote, "Success is about contribution." Life is special and meaningful if we could help other people in the community. For example, I help my neighbor who's a Chinese. She doesn't know any English. I help her to open the mail, translate into Chinese. And also, I help her to order the medication for her. In this summer, I plan to volunteer in the Chinese school in Poway. I'm going to help the students to learn more Chinese. At the same time, I help the teachers to correct the homeworks. Find a small way to make a difference. Yes, leading with services. I'm so excited and happy to learn more about this class. Thank you for listening.